Hello, everybody. This is Sebastian Arazola here. So, ready to show you my final project for digital tools. Great class, by the way. Really, truly enjoyed it. One of those classes I was able to implement immediately. So, let's get right to it. So, this is a project that I do for my sixth grade class. And we used to do it just on paper, and I just took all this and I created Nearpod for it. So I use Nearpod as my base for the lessons. As you can see, I did one for each. I have actually implemented all of it by now, except for the final presentation. That's the only one where we haven't gone, but that's okay because we're not going to present anything that the kids do. For example, let me just give you a quick view of lesson one here. And just to tell you, Nearpod has a lot of cool things that I didn't know. For example, I have this kid who only speaks Mandarin, and when he opens it, everything is Mandarin. So he's actually able to participate and see what's going on. Here I can place my questions and what I expect students to do. Um, and then some of the paper, like this used to be a paper I hand out, doesn't have to be anymore. Um, Also, this is something I can actually directly guide, or I can set it so they actually do it on their own, which, by the way, is something in which I could improve. I would need to add more steps, but I could definitely take a little bit more time and be a little bit more specific with these slides so that they could actually come up with everything on their own without me having to guide the process as much. And in that case, it will be great if I have to be absent one day, or I could just be walking around the room, talking to the different groups rather than leading the whole class. This is a really cool feature that it has as well. They're able to explore the Barringer crater, which is something that we talked about over here. So they are able to actually go and explore and see what it's like. I give them like 4 or 5 minutes maybe at the tops to just check it out. So it gives them a whole different experience. Then they're able to participate through all these open questions, and I'm able to also embed the lessons like right here. Let's go ahead and just open this link right here. And, they can make a copy of their class guide. And, this is the papers I used to give them. So now we can do it all in a computer, not waste any paper if we don't want to. We still want to use paper, then we can. But it's there. It's going to be available for the entire community now because here it is. I can share it. People can look it up. So anyway, Nearpod, great stuff. Really like it. If you never use Nearpod, you should definitely do it. So anyway, here's a poll. So there's different things I was able to do. Let's check out the final presentation, because here's where I introduce some of the other two pieces of technology. By the way, a lot of the activities they do through here or in this project are hands-on activities. Um, but I can use the technology to guide the process to make it a little bit nicer. And like I said, I feel that if I am able to, and this is just my reflection after doing it, I could go back and just go a little bit deeper with the explanations in here so that the kids could actually do it on their own. All right, so here is the final project rubric. I already have this ready, so it will direct them here, and this way the kids will know exactly what it is that they need to do to get the best grade possible. Um, if we continue, um, instead of, we used to do the final presentation just using Google Slides, and just as a way of differentiating if somebody's having a hard time with Genially. By the way, this is something that they'll do in pairs towards the end. But if some kids are just struggling, sure, go back to Google Slides. But hey, if you want to learn about Genially, that's awesome. Here's the link. You can open an account just with your school account, Here is a video on how to use it. As you can see, it's 2.15, 2 minutes and 15 seconds, and it's enough. Here is a link to an example I produced for them. This is what it looks like. So, and the idea is for them to introduce a few of these things that I'm opening over here, a few of these features. So it's different ideas. They can either say, hey, I can put my names over here, or I could just do it like this stuff here on the right. And there's different slides as well. So anyway, just giving them different ideas. They can even take the map of this project is called Saving Alabraska. Alabraska is a fictional state getting hit by an asteroid, so they have to build this bunker. So all this stuff they can do. All right. So genially, I thought it was a great tool for making presentations, making them look nicer. Here I got the detail as well. If you know, it's in the rubric, but it's also here. And then finally, I want them to share this link in Padlet. So here's my Padlet. Also very easy to use, very simple to start a Padlet. You can make up to 6 Padlets for free. And the idea is for them to post the link over here and then go ahead and make a constructive comment as part of their grade. So anyway, guys, this is my project. Hope you enjoy looking at it. Hope it gives you ideas for the future. Um, and yeah, again, this was a great semester. So thank you. Take care and have a great life, guys.